everyone, my name is El, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect hot chocolate. See, I have my special cup right here, and I already fill in this thing with the Milo, and here we have the spoon. The Milo, I use this Milo, this Milo here, same thing I guess with the normal one. But hey, look, I already filled it in, so we just need to boil the water. So here we have the water boiler thingy, and I believe I need to boil it, so be right back. Okay guys, I just boiled the water right here. See, it's all very hot. So what we might do is just grab this carefully, very careful, and put it in. And make sure to put your spoon first. Actually, don't put your spoon first. Add the water. There, like that. Until there. First, you have to add the water. Just a little. Just add the hot water. Just a little bit. Not like the whole way, or else you can't taste the chocolate. Now you have to stir the hot chocolate here to make the perfect mix. So you just need to stir the chocolate, and yeah, just stir a bit until the hot chocolate is all separated. Not that much, like there's no solid. Make sure all the hot chocolate, all the little chocolate powder is now not a solid anymore. Make sure it just like that. So what I'm doing here is stirring it for a while, and after you stir it for a while like this, I think this is enough stirring. We need to add more of them. Just add the amount that you want. I think that will do for my amount. If you want more, actually make sure the amount is not that much, not too. Make sure it isn't. Make sure you add the water until here, not until here, or else you won't taste the chocolate. So you just need to stir it again, to make it taste good. Just stir the whole chocolate here, and make sure to hear that sound. Oh yeah. So I think it's done. So my guess, if you taste this chocolate, you'll probably taste the best hot chocolate in your life. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. This is El, and goodbye.